Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is using word art. To enter the word art in the file, go to the Insert tab, click on word art. Clicking on it will show you a word art styles. Select that word art which you want. Now type whatever you need to type here. Clicking anywhere on the text so you have a format tab activated. From here you can change the fill color, outline and basically anything related to the word art. You can make changes from here. You can change the text fill color. You can also change the outline color. And if you want to give an effect, click on text effect. Here you find many options. Mouse over each option is displayed by its sub-option here. You can see the live preview. And if you want to transform it, then you can transform the text in the style you have here. Select and just click on it. So you can make any changes in word art. It was today's topic. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.